So a really popular question when you're first getting started in you know e-commerce, running a website, or even Google Analytics is where do I find my Google Analytics code? So where is the code? Um, what is the number? What am I looking at? What do I need to use, right? So if you log into your Google Analytics account, it'll look something like this. You won't have any traffic or anything, but it'll look like this, right? Now on the bottom left-hand side here, we've got an administration section. So just click on that. And then the admin section is composed of account level settings, property level settings. So everything related to that particular tracking code is property level settings. And then view level settings is basically, you can have multiple views for one tracking code depending on, what kind of filters you have on the view and other settings, right? So if I'm looking for my Google Analytics tracking code, I want to go into my properties section, and then I'm going to tracking info, and then I'm going to go tracking code, and that's going to take me to this page. So the very first thing you need to know is your tracking ID. So your tracking ID is this number here. So the reason you need to know that is a lot of platforms will just ask you for the tracking ID, and like Shopify and other platforms will just ask you for tracking ID, and you can just copy and paste that into that field that they provide you. Or if you need to use the whole code, the Google Analytics JavaScript code, this is the whole code you need. So just these few lines here is all you need to get started with Google Analytics. And as you can see, the tracking code is embedded inside the code. So this number here is, there you go. This number here is the same one as this number here, right? So you can always get it from me. If you're looking for just the code itself, then you can get it from here or up the top here. And if you're looking for the whole JavaScript snippet, then copy this whole thing and then paste it into the header of your web page, website, or whatever visual asset you're looking at doing. Cool. Thanks, guys.